Welcome to my channel. HP Smart Tank 7002 Printer Unboxing Setup and Full Review, 2026. Step 1. Unbox the printer. Open the box carefully and take out the printer, ink bottles, power cable, and manuals. Step 2. Remove all packaging. Remove all tapes, protective covers, and cardboard from inside and outside the printer. Step 3. Place the printer properly. Keep the printer on a flat surface near a power source and Wi-Fi router. Step 4. Fill the ink tanks. Open the ink tank caps and fill each color, black, cyan, magenta, yellow, using the provided bottles. Step 5. Power on the printer. Plug in the power cable and press the power button to turn it on. Step 6. Install printheads. Open the printhead access area and insert the printheads correctly into their slots. Step 7. Load paper. Insert A4 paper into the input tray and adjust the paper guides. Step 8. Install HP Smart App. Download the HP Smart App on your phone or PC. Step 9. Connect to Wi-Fi. Open the HP Smart App, select your printer, and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Step 10. Print test and review. Print a test page to check print quality and review features like print speed, wireless printing, and scan, copy functions. Pro tip: always use original HP ink for better performance and long-lasting prints. Thanks for watching.